So when I started noticing caste playing out in these photographs, it got quite interesting, and I chose two photographs for the show. One of a school, so it was a lot of young men, young boys sitting in a group. I think they were probably eating or studying, and then two older men, and you could see sort of possible signs that they were Brahmin because of what was on their forehead and things. So I chose a school, and I chose a picture of a group of women standing by a big well. And for me, both of these places, a school and a well, are quite casteized spaces in terms of our ancestors were never given access to both of them, were never given access to literacy, and were never given access to a place like a central well, because our touch would pollute these people. So as much as they are like colonial photographs that have their own sort of problematic colonial gaze on them, I like these people are also actively colonial in their own way, in their own casteized way. And I found it interesting how both of these things were working together. And I think me as a Dalit person looking at these photographs, I felt quite a strong level of violence coming out from both of them. So what I did was I printed these photographs, and I just I let them sort of leak out. I let the link kind of spread around, the ink spread around, so that eventually by the end of this show they will be destroyed. They're not. They're just impermanent images.